Students, today I will be going to solve some most important proofs of trigonometry. Okay, this year those who are giving standard paper of maths, they must have to practice this type of sums. Okay, so let's start. Now see, the first question is given: if tan theta plus sin theta is equals to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equals to n, show m square minus n square equals to 4 into root over of mn. Now see how to solve this. Here you have to prove m square minus n square. Now m square minus n square equals to, put the values of m and n, square minus n, which is given tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Now split the square formulas. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now write tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta minus tan theta minus sin theta, tan square theta minus 2 tan theta sin theta, so minus minus plus, plus 2 tan theta sin theta minus sin square theta. Now see, this tan square theta will be cancelled out, plus sin square theta minus sin square theta will be cancelled out. The answer will be 2 plus 2, 4 tan theta sin theta. Now see, here you have to take root. Okay, so after writing 4 you have to take root, and if there is a root then it will be tan square theta and sin square theta, as there is a root you have taken. Now see, you have to convert tan square theta in the form of sin square theta and sin square theta in the form of 1 minus cos square theta. Now write root over of sin square theta divided by cos square theta into sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Now this will be root over of sin square theta by cos square theta into 1. Okay, sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus, see the technique students, sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta. So cos square theta will be cancelled out and the answer will be sin square theta, and this will be tan square theta minus sin square theta, which is equals to 4 root over of tan theta minus sin theta, a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b into tan theta plus sin theta, and this will be 4 root over of mn. This is how to solve this. Now see, here is the technique is given. Okay, this part is very important. First you have to convert it into sin square theta cos square theta, then simply multiply. Okay, simple multiply, see, into 1 and into cos square theta, then you will get this and you will get the results. Now see the next one. Now see, if tan A is equals to n tan B and sin A is equals to m sin B, then you have to prove cos square A is equals to m square minus 1 divided by n square minus 1. Okay, now take these two, as these two is given to you, that is tan A is equals to n tan B. Now see, here in the proved part you see cos square A is given. Okay, so if cos square A is given, so here you have to take on the RHS part in terms of A and the LHS part in terms of B. Okay, now see, this will be your LHS part will be terms of B. Okay, now see, if you take LHS in terms of B, that is tan B is equals to what? Tan B is equals to tan A divided by n, and if you take tan B is equals to tan A divided by n, so take n in numerator part. For that you have to write cot B is equals to n by tan A. Similar in case of sin A is equals to m sin B also. You have to first take B part. Okay, so it will be sin A divided by m, then you have to write m in numerator part. So for that you have to write cosec B is equals to m by sin A. Now see, this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. We know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Now see, cosec square B minus cot square B is equals to 1. Now see here, what, m by sin A whole square minus n by tan A whole square is equals to 1. Now solve. This will be your m square divided by sin square A minus n square divided by, now see, tan A means what, sin A by cos A, and 1 by tan A means cot A, and cot A means cos A by sin A. Now write here cos square A divided by sin square A, so that the LCM will be same. Now you can write m square minus n square cos square A as the LCM same, so multiply here. 1 into sin square A means sin square A equals to m square minus n square cos square A equals to, here also you have write cos square A, that is sin square is equals to 1 minus cos square A. Now see, here you see you have to take m square minus 1 here. See, here it is given m square minus 1, so take m square minus 1 and you have to take n square cos square A in this side, like terms, n square cos square A minus cos square A equals to m square minus 1 n square minus 1 into cos square A, which is equals to cos square A is equals to m square minus 1 divided by n square minus 1. Hence proved. See, you have to prove in this way. Okay. Now see the next one. You have to prove here 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta is equals to 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by cosec theta minus cot theta. Now here you have to take first the LHS part. Now see, here you see cosec theta plus cot theta. Actually we know a formula, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So for you have to convert in this way, okay, that is a square minus b square format. So here you have to multiply. See, 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta divided by cosec theta minus cot theta, so that you can get cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and this will be as well as, now see, 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, so write it as cosec theta. Now see, cosec theta minus cot theta divided by cosec square theta minus cot square theta, then minus cosec theta. Now see, cosec theta minus cot theta minus cosec theta, and this will be 1. Okay, cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 1. You have to write the reason here. Now see here, plus cosec theta minus cosec theta, so this will be cancelled out and your answer will be minus cot theta. Okay, this is very simple and interesting also. Now see the RHS part. RHS part is given 1 by sin theta minus 1 divided by cosec theta minus cot theta. So now you have to multiply in this side, cosec theta plus cot theta divided by cosec theta plus cot theta, which is equals to 1 by sin theta will be your cosec theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta divided by it will be cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, now see, this will be 1, so cosec theta minus cosec theta and plus minus cot theta, this will be cancelled out and our answer will be minus cot theta. Now see, in this way LHS will be equals to RHS. See, this is very important and interesting sum also. You have to do in this way. No lengthy formula you have to do here. Just convert it into a square minus b square format, then your maths will be done. Okay. Now see the next one. Now see the another sum. If cos theta plus sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta, show cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. See, this is very important math and this is very easy also. Okay, you can do in few seconds. Now see, first you have to take this as this is your given part. Now you squaring on both the sides. Okay, now write the squaring part. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta equals to what? Equals to root 2 into root 2 means 2 cos square theta, which is equals to, you have to write cos theta here, cos square theta here, as these are the like terms. Now see, sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. It will be your cos square theta. Now write 2 cos theta into sin theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now see, a square minus b square format, no? Now write cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now see students, you get cos theta minus sin theta. Now see, this is a very important math. This will be here, okay, and divided by cos theta plus sin theta, which is equals to cos theta minus sin theta. Now see, cos theta plus sin theta already given to you. Okay, so put the value of cos theta plus sin theta, that is given what? Root 2 cos theta. See, root 2 cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled out. This will be root 2, and you can write here cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. This is you have to prove. See, in many books you will find this proof in a very lengthy way, but you don't have to waste time in your examination. So please do in this way. This is the very shortest way to do this maths. This is very interesting. Simply square both the sides, then the maths will be automatically solved. Okay, now see a similar sum based on the previous technique, similar one. Now see, it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equals to root 3, and you have to prove tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 1. What you have to do? Yes, the first step is squaring both the sides. The first step is squaring both the sides. Okay, now after squaring you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to root 3 into root 3, 3. But this will be what? This will be your 1. So if you take 1 in this way, then you will get 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Now see, these two will be cancelled out. Now write sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1, which is equals to, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, isn't it? Now write 1 is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now after taking LCM, separate it, then you will get tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 1. Don't waste time by doing these sums in a lengthy way. Okay, always do in shortest way. Okay, see, the same technique used here. First you have to, the first step is squaring both the sides. Always remember, then you see the maths will be automatically solved. Okay, always do it in a shortest steps as well as possible. Okay, now see the next one. Now see, the question is given, find theta, find the angle theta if cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 1 minus root over of 3 divided by 1 plus root over of c. Now see, here this is given to you, okay, and you have to find theta angle. Now see, you see carefully students, 1 root 3 are the values of which table, are the values of which angle? See, tan theta we know, because we know that tan 60 root 3, tan 31 by root 3 and tan 48 degree 1. So these are the values of what? Which column? Tan. Okay, so you have to convert these two into tan theta, and for converting these two into tan theta you have to here divided it by cos theta. Okay, so divided by cos theta, first step. Then the second step is 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, which is equals to 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Now comparing both the sides, on comparing both the sides you can get tan theta is equals to root 3. So this will be tan theta is equals to tan 60 degree, and this will be theta is equals to 60 degree. See, this type of questions carry 2 marks. Okay, first step is you have to convert it into tan, and for converting it into tan you have to divide it by cos theta, then cos theta After converting it into tan theta, you can get this on comparing both the sides. Okay, on comparing both sides you will get tan theta. Okay, now see the next one. This is the last one. Okay, now see sec theta is equals to x plus 1 by 4x. Prove sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 2x or 1 by 2x. Now how to prove this? Let sec theta plus tan theta is equals to k. Okay, let sec theta plus tan theta is equals to k. I think we all know a formula, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. That is sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. So we can write sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 divided by sec theta plus tan theta, that is 1 divided by k. Now take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. On adding equation 1 and 2, tan will be cancelled out and you will gain 2 sec theta, which is equals to k plus 1 by k. Okay, now see sec theta is given x plus 1 by 4x. Okay, now put the value of sec theta, that is x plus 1 by 4x equals to k plus 1 by k, which is equals to 2x plus 1 by 2x, which is equals to k plus 1 by k. Now on comparing both the sides, we will get k is equals to either 2x or 1 by 2x, and k means what, students? K means sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 2x or 1 by 2x, which is given here 2. Okay, see, first you have to take this as k. Okay, any constant, okay, equals to k, then put it in your formula. You will get another equation, that is sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by k. Now adding we will get tan theta will be cancelled out, plus minus, then 2 sec theta, and sec theta's value is given to you x plus 4s. Putting this, compared both the side, you will get this. Okay, see, last but not the least, you have to prove here 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha is equals to cosec alpha. You have to first take here LHS. I have taken already. Now see, you have to always put it in your formula, means identities. Okay, in a square minus b square format. Now see, here a plus b is given, that is 1 plus cosec alpha. So you have to here multiply 1 minus cosec alpha on both numerator and denominator. Okay, now write here cot square alpha into 1 minus cosec alpha divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus cosec square alpha equals to 1 plus cos square alpha into 1 minus cosec alpha divided by, now see, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So 1 minus cosec square theta means minus cot square alpha. Okay, now this will be cancelled out and you will get 1 plus minus minus 1 minus minus plus cosec alpha, plus minus will be cancelled out and you will get cosec alpha, which is your RHS. See, this is how to solve this. You have to always, whenever you see cosec, cot, tan, sec, okay, always put it in your identities by adding this. Okay, a square minus b square format, then the sum will be automatically solved. So today up to this, that's all for today's class. So practice properly. These are the main important sums of trigonometry. Okay, standard sums of trigonometry. So practice well. These are very important and interesting. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.